generate electricity without using store-bought batteries and by using a battery at the same time?
Wait, what? That doesn't make sense.
Oh wait, let me explain. Normally, we use batteries to light up our lights, to power our remotes, and to run small devices. But batteries cost money and harm the environment because after we use them, we usually just throw them away.
Yeah, that's true. So, what can we do about it?
One simple thing we can do is to make our own battery using natural materials and recycled parts. The tamarind mixed with salt and water acts as the electrolyte. Electrolytes allow ions to move inside the liquid, and the zinc and carbon rods.
Those are the electrodes. The zinc plate is the anode negative, and the carbon rod is the cathode positive.
At the zinc anode, oxidation happens. Zinc loses electrons and turns into zinc ions.
Those electrons travel from the zinc anode through the wire, pass through the LED bulb, and reach the carbon cathode.
At the carbon cathode, reduction happens. Reduction means gaining electrons, which completes the circuit and allows electricity to flow.
So, the LED lights up because the electrons are moving from the anode to the cathode.
Exactly. That's how chemical reactions inside the battery create electricity.
First, we prepared all the materials: charcoal, tamarind, salt, water, used batteries, wires, an LED bulb, a jar, cardboard, a voltmeter, and alligator clips.
Next, we crush the charcoal into a fine powder.
Then, we carefully opened used batteries to get the carbon rod and the zinc plate. We cut and folded the zinc plate.
We attach wires to both the zinc plate and the carbon rod. We prepared two sets of this.
We prepared a jar and made two holes so the carbon and the zinc could be placed in there. We cut and put a cardboard in the middle part of the inside of the jar to serve as a division later on. We poured the powdered charcoal on the jar on the both sides of the division.
We put the carbon rod and zinc plate in each division. Make sure that one side shows the carbon rod on top and the other side shows the zinc plate on top. There are two sets of this arrangement.
We put the tamarind and salt into water and dissolve it.
After it dissolved, we pour the tamarind water on that side where the carbon rod is on top, and pour the salt water on the side where the zinc plate is on top.
We put the lid of the jar on, while the carbon rod and the zinc plate poke through the holes of the lid.
You can test it using a voltmeter to see how much electricity it has. Clip alligator clips on both sides, carbon and zinc, and clip them to the positive and negative legs of the lead. You can also use a wire if you don't have alligator clips. and boom, the LED lights up.
That is amazing! We made electricity using recycled materials and natural resources.
It shows how oxidation, reduction, electrodes, and electrolytes work together.
And how simple materials from our kitchen can make a battery.
It's eco-friendly and safe if handled properly.
Science really is everywhere. Sometimes it starts with what we usually throw away.